Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special haul in this little box because in this bag, because the item just came out yesterday, which was December the 7th. And if you want to see what I'm talking about, stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay, as y'all know, December the 7th, Rihanna came out with a new glossy balm. She came out with the glossy balm in the name Fussy, and I did go to the store to pick it up instead of placing an order online. I just thought, I just wanted to go ahead and purchase this and go ahead and give y'all my thoughts really quick. My lips are dry because I wanted to actually do a lip swatch on this particular item, and I do have the other two. She came out with this was her first lip balm that she came out with, and then this was the second, and then this here is your third. So this is supposed to be more of a pinky type of color. Oh, and before I get into it, I just wanted to share this really quick. I got the Becca Be a Light medium to deep face palette, and this here was on sale for $29. Not sure about it so far because I do have it on now and it doesn't really show like I wanted it to show, but it's called Be the Light, and it's supposed to come, it comes with, the packaging is really cute, of course. So in the inside it has a quote across the mirror said, and this quote here says be radiant. And here are your it's supposed to come with a brightening powder, blush, a contour, and a blur powder. So that's what you see here. And like I said, the contour, it didn't really show up on my skin, so I just wanted to share this really quick. This is on sale at Sephora for $29, just in case you guys wanted to check it out. But like I said, I only used it one time, so I'm not 100% sure on this as of yet. But I wanted to include this in this video because it was just the only one thing. And I bought this the same time I purchased the Rihanna lip gloss. So back onto Rihanna. So here is the packaging, same packaging as her other lip balms. So here is the lip gloss in this packaging, and it's like pink with flecks of glitter. I did notice it had to warm up because it was in my car, and it was like a little thick, so I guess it had to warm up a little bit because, like I said, it was cold. So I do have a lip liner on. I forgot to while I put the lip liner on because I wanted to actually do the lip swatch without the lip liner, but anyway. Ooh, yeah. Oh, I love her lip glosses. And you don't have to put on a lip liner to wear her glosses. I just forgot about the lip swatch, and I was going to apply a different type of lipstick and lip gloss on, but when I thought about it, I was like, hold up, I need to do a lip swatch. Let me see. It smells like Tutti Frutti. It smells really good. It smells a little different than her other two lip balms. I love her lip glosses. Like I said, here is the lip gloss on my lips as we speak. In my opinion, it doesn't look that much different than this one, but since I'm a fan of Rihanna, I went out and purchased it. Like if you have this, the diamond milk, what is it, the diamond milk, or the first one, you really don't need this one because as you can see, it's not that big of a difference. Like I said, and then they're only $18, so I was like, why not get the whole set? And you really don't have to rush out and get this if you already have the two, because like I said again, you can see that it's the same type of shine. Like it's not like a strong hint of pink. I thought it would be like a more pinky type of gloss, but it still feels good on the lips. I will do some swatches. I'm gonna start off with the new color first. So I did swatch them a little thick so you guys can see. It starts off, top one is the new color, the second is the I don't even remember the names, is the first one that came out, and then the third one is the diamond. So as you can see, they are glossy. They look different swatched, but on the lips, to me, in my opinion, they kind of look the same. Only one that looks a little different is this one, because it's more like a milky gloss, and I like this on top of something. So yeah, you guys, like I said, if you're a Rihanna fan and you just want to go ahead and collect all of her glossy bombs, then I would highly suggest you go out and get this. If you want to decide from the two, like say if you already got this and this just came out, in my opinion, you really don't need to run out and get it, because as you can see, they kind of look the same. I mean, they don't look the same, but when you apply them on your lips, they kind of go on the same. Let me show you. I'm gonna take this off so I can show you what I mean when I say they kind of swatch the same. So this one here is the first lip balm. I like the first one, because the first one has a little more pigment to it. So here is the first one she has that she came out with. So see what I'm saying? Like, it's not really that big of a difference for you to be like, oh my god, I gotta rush out and get it. So if you want to save your coins, you don't have to rush out and get it. But if you just want to collect all three like myself, then yeah, go get it. And then I'm going to show you the last one, the milky, what is this called? The Diamond Milk Gloss, just so y'all can see. So here is the clear one, the Diamond Milk. What I'm saying, like you can see the glossiness, but in my opinion, they all look the same, just with a little different, with a little hint of color. As far as this one I like a whole lot. The first one I like, and then here is the second, and then here is the last one. So yeah, I just wanted to again show off the swatches of the new Fussy and the originals as well, just in case you're not sure which one to get. So hopefully I was able to help you with that. The swatches are really good. These lip glosses are not full with color. They more like a shine type of gloss, if you get what I'm saying. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with y'all really quick. So again, the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Gloss Bomb in the color Fussy, and here it is. And again, it retails for $18. I'm not sure if the JCPenney's inside of Sephora, the Sephora's inside of JCPenney's have them yet. I did get this at a freestanding Sephora store. So yeah, if y'all ran out to get this too on the day of launch, let me know down in the description box. Let me know if y'all liked it or not. So again, you guys, that was it. That was everything. Like I said, this was going to be a really quick video. So if you like these types of videos, give this video a big thumbs up, because it helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so y'all can be notified each week when I upload videos. And until next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.